Incremental routines. So why Wozniak videos, the official videos, are enough? Guidance and accessibility. So his passion is clear, but the perspective is too specialized. In other words, he suffers from the curse of knowledge. He has created the tool himself and has used it for decades. So it's very hard for him to see the perspective of a newbie. It's deep theory, less how-to. Often heavily on conceptual justifications and minimal step-to-step workflows. The neural review. And yet neural review, because of this, is that you have like some kind of example in between mix with the theory. For instance, one video about image occlusion, but image occlusion, and then he talks about neural review, is what is the purpose, what's the link. As a newbie, I'm lost, right? And he doesn't usually explain the step-to-step and all of that. And then lack of structured curriculum. I hate this word, by the way, but it's to make the convey the meaning that it's this sequence. So then in this course we have chapters or sections. Or that's a section of the course introduction, but we will have why SuperMemo, running SuperMemo for the first time, collection layouts, LM parameters, components, and so on. So we have the sequence, and then the sequence of sections, and within the section, the videos. That doesn't mean that at every single chapter or section, we have everything about the elements, everything. No. It's most of that until now, because if they perhaps introduce priorities or concepts, hey, we haven't covered concepts yet. So perhaps we'll do it on the concepts section, or even later on the incremental reading section and so on. I have spent an enormous amount of effort and time to cherry pick this, so you have the best experience of introducing the theory and concepts. That's all for now. See you incrementally.